Hello everybody and welcome to this video which shows you how to get onto Show My Homework if you're a student. The first thing we're going to look at trying to do is to get onto Office 365, which is Microsoft Office, the website, and from there we're going to sign in. What students will need to do is they'll need to use their student account, their hfed.net account, to sign in with their first part of their credentials. Once they've done that and they've signed in, they'll press next. And that will then ask you for your password, which you should know by now because you use it at school. Once you've done that and you've signed in, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to navigate yourself to your Outlook, and at that stage you should find within your inbox a Show My Homework email. This email is very, very important because it tells you how to set up a password, and that password, as you can see, which has been highlighted here, has at least, you've got to make sure it's at least 10 characters, a number, an uppercase letter and a special character. So we are making ourselves, once again, a password for Show My Homework. Once we are doing that and we know what we're going to do, we are going to create our password and we're going to make sure that it goes straight to this screen where you then type that in. You'll make sure that you've got your 10 characters, all the special letters and uppercase things that you need, as it says right there, a special character and a number as well, and you make sure that all of that goes in, and then obviously you will, like everything else, make sure that you confirm it by doing it for a second time, and those passwords obviously need to match. So when they do, and those two things do match, you then click on the change password and that will do that automatically. Then you are going to make sure in the three boxes you have here that you're going to enter your school name, as we asked you here, which will be Harris Academy Purley, making sure that everything is on the student account at the top. That will then click in there. You'll put in your Harris email account, which you should know by now, to ensure that you're doing that, and this is your school email address. So you're making sure that it obviously ends in @harrispurley.org.uk, and then you're going to make sure that after you've done that, you put in your new password that you have literally just created. So once you've typed in those details into that second, and then finally that third box, you are ready to log in. And in a second, we are going to do that, and you'll see yourself going straight to the interface of Show My Homework. So at this moment in time, as you can see, we're about to put in our password that we have just created. And then we press the login button and it goes straight into Show My Homework, where you can see you have your to-do list and it shows you all the homework that has been set for you. And you can write lots of things here to try and make sure you do things. And you can obviously, as it says here, you can review all all the homework you have, either through the box there or the things that are obviously on that week. That's the end of this video, the end of how to tuition. If there are any issues, please email me at psarson@harrispurley.org.uk, and I will see what I can do to make sure that it works. Thank you and have fun doing your homework.